Welcome to Perfect Electrical Solution. Today we are going to perform an experiment for gate analysis using 2D camera system. For this experiment, first we need to a software gate on and one 2D camera setup. As in previous video when we are conduct an experiment of posture analysis, the setup and connections of camera are exactly same. After opening the home screen, we click on file and go to the motion capture, and here you can see we are using a single camera, that's why only one camera shown in your screen one. So before starting we need to click on walking, because today we are going to perform a gate analysis. After that we are using a anti-blur tab for making the clear visibility of image of the camera and brightness as per need, and click on recording button, and after guide your subject for walking in front of the camera like this, and now go back for the posterior view of this subject. So now we are successfully capture the anterior and posterior view of the subject. After that go to file and quit. Now go to new analysis, enter the name of the subject and the remaining parameters like age, gender, weight and height. In those column having a star marked, these are mandatory. At analysis we need to select on walking and then we click on start analysis. Here your home screen has been opened. For performing the gate analysis we need the all images of like anterior view, posterior view and lateral left view and lateral right view. In previous data capturing we didn't capture the lateral left view or lateral right view, so now we are capture the lateral left and lateral right view through the camera. Now go to file and quit from the camera. After that click on open video and we are directly move where we store our data. Select anterior and posterior view image from your device and click on open. Click on continue. So here this side your anterior and posterior view video has been uploaded. So using the second screen, click on open video and add a lateral left and lateral right view video. So now the 4 videos are added in 2 screens. So now we move video frame by frame using next tab. Here you can see. For now in the video we seen subject coming from anterior view, so we click on anterior view and click on the question mark symbol show after left mid stance anterior view and see the sample view how our subject or patient need to be stand, so we move the video frame by frame and select the same posture as shown in your example info. When we get the same frame like example video, then we place the marker. In this frame, we are similar to the example data. Click on the pointer, left center patella and left second toe. Click on the both marker. This one, and then go to the show angle. And here you can see the output result. After that, click on add to report and go to the next. Here your example data has been changed. Now we move to right mid stance anterior view. At your right hand side, see feet adjustment, and we move the video frame by frame and get the same posture as shown in example data, and place your pointer right center patella and right second toe, and then click on the show angle, and here your result has been shown. Then click on add to report. Next, so we are done with the anterior view. Click on finish. Now we move to posterior view. Click on posterior view. So again we are moved to the blue question mark symbol and see the posterior view posture in the example image. Now we move frame by frame subject from posterior view and check the feet adjustment as shown in image. So click on left PSIS and right PSIS, and next center of left calf, next center of left archive, and your next pointer is here. And this is your base of left calcaneus. Then click on show angle, and here your report has been generated. Then click on the next. Click on same pointer to report are placed now at right mid stance posterior view, and we are following the example image for placing the pointers. So first we place left and right PSIS, then center of right calf, then center of right Achilles tendon, right Achilles tendon attachment, base of right calcaneus. After placing the pointers, we click on show angle, and here your report of right mid stance posterior view, and then click on add to report, and after that we are clicking on finish. Now we are done with the anterior and posterior view of gait analysis. Now we move to the left lateral view and click on the question mark and see the example picture of the gate. So now we are moving our video frame by frame with the help of next frame tab, and get the same gate as per the given image. In this image, left initial contact we need to make. So now we are place the marker left greater trochanter of femur, next left lateral epicondyle of femur, and your next is left lateral malleus and remaining pointers. After that we click on show angle, and here your report has been shown. Then click on add to report and go to next, and in your example data your image has been also changed, and we also move our video frame by frame to get the same angle. After that the same marker we placed again on different angle image. After placing the all marker, click on the show angle, then your result has been shown. After that click on add to report and click to the next. Now your example data again has been changed. See left greater trochanter of the femur in line with the midpoint of the foot. Now place the pointer. Most of the name of the pointer which we are placed in left lateral view or right lateral view are these same, only is the different between gate angle. After placing all pointers, click on show angle and your result has been shown. Then click on add to report and then click on next. Here you can see your example image has been changed, and now we moved to the left terminal stance lateral view. So we move our video frame by frame to get the same gate. After that place the marker. All pointers which we are used in this section are same. Then click on show angle and add to report. then click to the next, and you can see your example data again has been changed left toe off. So most of the all pointers are same which we are used from starting in left lateral view. Just only the gate cycle has been changed. That's why I didn't speak each pointer again and again. I am just telling about the only gate angle. Then click on show angle, and here your result of left toe off has been shown. Everything is in normal range. Then click on add to report, and then click on the next. Do your just analyze swing phase. So now we are moved to a swing phase. So this is the first angle of gate for swing phase. After placing the all pointer, click on show angle, and your result has been shown. We match our gate pattern with the reference image, and then click on add to report. So click on the next, and your sample image again has been changed left tibial vertical. So this stance we can get by moving the frame of video. After placing the all marker, click on the show angle, and your report has been generated. Then click on to add to report, and click on the finish. So here we are done with the left lateral view. Now we are moved to the right lateral view. For this we need to change the position of the image from left to right and match the angle of gate as shown in our example image, like right initial contact of your right leg. So the pointer in right lateral view has been same as we are used in left lateral view, but only thing is written in your pointer is left to right. When we move to right side, the angles or positions are same. Same procedure has been repeat for right lateral view. Click on show angle, and here your result has been shown. After that, click on add to report, then click on to next. Now your sample image has been again changed, and we need to move our gate to the shown image with respect to the shown image. After placing all marker, move to the show angle. Your result of image has been shown, and then click on the add to report, and then click on the next. Now your sample image has been again changed and your phase has been changed. So we are again moving frame to frame to get the same angle. Place or marker, click on show angle, and your result has been shown. Then click on add to report, and then click on next, and you can see your sample image again has been changed. Now again we move for next angle, then placed marker, after placing all marker, click on show angle, then your report has been shown. After that, click on add to report, then click to the next. As per reference image, we again change the position of the subject and place our marker, then click on show angle, and here your result has been shown. After that, click on add to report, then go to the next, and your next gate has been shown. Again we move the video frame by frame to get the same angle as shown in image. After that, we are placing all pointers, then click on the show angle. Your report has been shown, then click on add to report, next is your finish. Now we are done with the right lateral. So we are successfully completed the experiment of gait analysis using 2D camera system. Now go to the file, click on the report manager and click to the print report. Save your report where you want and then click on save. Now your report has been generating. Report has been successfully generated. Now the report has been opened in PDF file. So here it is your report. First patient detail, then the gait summary, foot and ankle, pelvic, knee, septal temporal parameters, hip. These are the standard parameters are given, which was compared with our given images data. There is the written stance and swing definition. Stance phase, the entire period during which the foot is on the ground, this phase being with the initial contact of the foot. Then your swing phase, the entire period during which the foot is in the air for limb advancement. This phase being as the foot is lifted from the floor, called toe off. So these are the two important definitions. This is your kinematic data of lateral view. And these are the kinematic graphs. So this is the result of mid stance posterior view. And this is the mid stance anterior view result, left and right. Next is your initial contact lateral view, left and right result. This is a loading response of lateral view, left and right. And this one is your mid stance lateral view of left and right. And your last one is terminal stance of lateral view, left and right. And now we are start pre-swing lateral view, left and right. This is the initial swing lateral view, left and right. And this one is your mid swing lateral view, left and right. So we completed this experiment. Thanks for watching.